Hello everyone, today, I'm going to guide you on how to download watermark-free videos from Douyin in bulk using the MKT viral software. First, click on the Scan Download Videos feature. Then select Scan Video and choose the platform you want to scan. Enter the keywords you want to scan, or you can scan based on channels or trending hashtags. Enter the number of videos you want to scan and click Start. Once the scanning is complete, copy the links and go to the Download Videos section. Paste the copied links into the blank space, choose the folder where you want to save the videos, and finally, download the videos. After the download is complete, you can go to the folder to view the videos you've downloaded. Enjoy watching the videos. If you'd like to experience the software, feel free to contact me.
相爱过，如果是爱的够久，分开越疼。
哎，老板，这鸡肝能给我2袋吗？
那不行，我拿来卖的。